Welcome to our Montessori Cylinder Block tutorial. In this video, we'll explore Cylinder Block 1. Invite the child to the activity by saying, "I have something special to show you." Guide the child to the cylinder blocks, introducing them by saying, "These are cylinder blocks." Demonstrate how to carry the block by gripping it on both sides with both hands, at waist level and parallel to the ground. Have the child carry the block to the table and place it near the median line. Sit down with the child to begin. Begin by pinching the knob of the cylinder furthest to the right using your thumb and 2 fingers. Slowly pull the cylinder out completely and place it standing up in front of its hole. Repeat this process for the cylinder furthest to the left. Continue taking out each cylinder randomly, alternating sides, until all cylinders are out. Tilt the block slightly forward to show the child that all holes are empty. Now, replace the cylinders back into their appropriate holes, one at a time and in a random order. Hold the knobs of each cylinder as before and slowly slide each cylinder down until it hits the bottom. Invite the child to take out and put back each cylinder. The child is now free to work with Cylinder Block 1. This exercise helps develop visual discrimination and fine motor skills.